We made it on the airplane. A little delayed, 30 minutes, but should be a smooth flight, and we'll be in Orlando before you know it. We made it! You know, you've gotten to Orlando when you start seeing the green flowery carpet. We made it, and we are staying at the Disney All-Star Movie Resort. We need to start getting unpacked, and I will do a quick little room tour, but then we need to go to the water park because in 2025, you get free water park entry, and we've never actually explored the water park, so we're gonna do that today. So when you walk in, there's a mini fridge, a coffee maker, ice bucket, some shelving. Of course, they always put your family name on there. That's so special. Lots of drawers. To the right of the door, there's a table, 2 chairs. This actually pulls down and becomes your second bed. There's a little nook here that you put your stuff. Of course, there's like an Alexa, but Disney version. Next is the beautiful Disney art, the beautiful bed, a TV. I believe there's lots of plugins. Yeah, 2 USBs, 2 plugs, light switches. Same on this side of the bed. Doors that, some hooks there to hang up some things. Closet on your left to the bathroom. Lots of shelving, an ironing board, which I'm assuming my clothes will be wrinkly, an iron. Straight from the airport, don't mind my look, but soap, sink, towels, makeup mirror, of course, the bathroom. So we've changed, we're in our bathing suit, we got our cups. Ryan, what color did you pick? Ryan and I just got some food, and check out these burgers. They are massive. Watermelon lemonade that has alcohol in it. And Ryan got a virgin one and a regular burger, or double cheeseburger. Ryan and I have the Disney dining plan, so I will be videotaping exactly what we paid for the dining plan and what we got value-wise every day in the parks. I'll be doing exclusive videos on that, so check those out, watch out for them. They will be coming out soon. Very cute hats. So we had a little misfortune at Blizzard Beach, but Disney came in and sprinkled some magic. Ryan and I went to Blizzard Beach unprepared. We just brought like essentially our two refillable mugs, my money, like a little crossbody, and a bag with a battery pack. That is all we brought. Oh, a little sunscreen. So we thought towels would be free. No, you have to rent them. And then I also didn't really think about renting a locker. So we weren't gonna spend a lot of time there. We thought, you know, we'll leave our stuff on a chair. I was a little hesitant because I had like my wallet, but I was like, it's Disney. Can you imagine what happened? We came back And this is the weirdest thing. Somebody stole something of ours. Not the wallet, not the phone, not the battery packs, thank God. They stole one, not two, one of our refillable mugs. Literally hours after we had just gotten it. So I jumped on the app, I texted customer service. They said there wasn't really anything they could do and that I should go to the front desk. I went to the front desk. The lady I spoke to, I believe her name was Lindsay. She was wonderful. She also gave me a face of like, I don't know if we can replace that, but she talked to somebody, I guess, a little higher up than her, and they gave me a voucher to go to the gift shop to buy a brand new refillable mug for Ryan. I guess the person who took it really needed it more than we did. I'm grateful that it was not my wallet. A little sad that somebody would steal it, but we did get it replaced, which was wonderful. Thank you, Disney All-Star Movies. That was really gracious of you to do, because we had literally just gotten that cup not even 3 hours before. So now we're getting ready and we're gonna go hit up Disney Springs because it's really our only day to shop, and we have some ears that we want to buy. I have some people that are looking for things, sweaters. Who knows what we'll find? Oh, magic bands. We need magic bands. Definitely need magic bands. I'm used to having one, and they do not ship to Canada anymore, and they do not offer them with your vacation package any longer. So I'm really finding it hard to use the app or my key. So I need to go buy a magic band. So we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna go eat at the Polite Pig for dinner. I heard it's wonderful and a great use of your quick dining credits. And sorry, Ryan's getting ready and he's making a lot of noise. Let's go do some shopping damage. Look at this bag. I'm a sucker for green. Ears. We're looking for pin traders so we can go find magic band. I think we found it. We got brisket platters. It came with cornbread, coleslaw, a side, and a drink. This is the Polite Punch. Ryan just hydrated with water, and it came up to $64.43 with the tax, and that was on our Disney dining plan. That's so good. Look at this food. Brisket, Brussels sprouts, jalapeno cornbread, coleslaw. Ryan got the same thing, but side Caesar salad. That is delicious. Get the Polite Punch. Never would I thought as a Canadian I would say that I'm cold in Florida, but I am cold. It's a little chilly. But we're going off to our room. We are snug in bed. Our new what are those called again? Our new magic bands are being charged. We had a very long day today. We had a mug stolen. We went on Lazy River. We spent some money at Disney Springs. We ate some really good food and got a really good value for our food. Tomorrow is Magic Kingdom Day and we're so excited. It's also, if you didn't know, my birthday. So tomorrow I am celebrating my birthday at Magic Kingdom for the first time ever, and it's going to be fantastic. Very excited, very looking forward to it. And I'm definitely gonna wear my button. Hopefully I get some extra little magic pixie dust on me tomorrow. We'll see you next time. And if you're not part of the crew, go ahead and join us and follow along on our Disney adventures.